All you need to turn a sleeveless shirt or t-shirt into something between a bandana, a durag and a scrub cap is the cloth itself and the scissors. Also, you may need a measuring instrument, but it's kinda perfectionist approach. You can use any cord actually. The bottom hem of your sleeveless or t-shirt is the base of your bandana. Well, to avoid mistakes, you'd better measure your head between the bottom hem of your bandana and the knot. Mark this distance above the central point of the hem. Then measure the distance between these points above your ears. Mark this distance on the hem. Then act. As you can see, it's pretty cheap, nearly effortless and takes you about 5 minutes of work. Who really likes cycling in the sun and shaves their head may really need such a cloth. Doth vermegy.